What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy, Abu. If you learn more about me, make sure you check out my website at mentalwithabujar.com. And in this wonderful video today, I'm going to give you guys some great value, man. You guys may see by the title. It's basically an app where you can basically make money by watching videos. Say what? I said say what? Man, really? You cannot make money from watching videos on my phone? You can? Damn. Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned to the intro, man. Alright guys, what's up with y'all, man? I'm just feeling great right now, man. I just basically discovered this app where people can make money from basically watching it. Short videos, like 30 seconds videos, 50 seconds, maybe sometime 1 minute. But you can actually make money from watching videos, man. That is crazy, man. Never in my lifetime would I be thinking about actually thinking there will be a time where we can actually make money from watching videos. Yes, guys, you can actually make money from watching videos on your phone every single day. That's how crazy and easy this is, bro. Let me show you guys, because I don't want you guys, I want to be able to make money off this app. That's why I'm not going to show you guys the app. Because why? I want you to click the link and basically go get the app through me, so I can actually not make money, but actually gain some points. Because I basically make money off the app by you getting points. As you guys can see right here, I don't know if you can see that, I made about $10 in just 1 hour. 1 hour, people. Just imagine how much I'm gonna make in a week. Maybe $100. Yes, 1 hour of me just promoting this on Facebook, guys. That's how easy it is for me to basically make money through this app. This app is freaking amazing. And also, let me just let you know right now, this app is legit. Don't let people fool you. This app is the real deal. This app is the real deal. This app is the real deal, people. Now, let me just show you guys how it works. So basically, let me show you guys how easy this app is. I'm not gonna put my screen or nothing because I don't want to go through my screen. But guys, as you guys can see right here, they have all these videos you guys can watch. All these videos. Usually I'm blocking that so that you guys don't know the name of the app. But as you can see right here, these are all the videos. Now if I click on this and maybe like watch it for like, if I watch this video, let me see. Okay, let me see if I watch this video, right? Okay, that video crashes. Let me just say I choose to watch another video. Now you guys gonna see any video I watch, I get about I think like 5 coins. Now that coins adds up really quick. Let me see if we can find something that is quicker, like this right here. I don't know if somebody can see that, but you guys should get the point. When you watch these videos, you basically get like 5 coins. Now those coins actually adds up. See right there? See? I don't know if you all see that, but I just gained 5 coins from basically watching that video. And now those coins, literally, you can just watch 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It's not like you have to watch a specific time of the video. You have to watch 30 seconds, 1 minute. No. Sometimes you might only watch 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and you only get the coin. That's how easy it is to make money on this app. So yeah, guys, make sure you click down. I'm gonna be leaving a link to this app right here in the bottom of this video. That's how easy it is to make money online. And I was able to make $10 in an hour, people. Make sure you click that link. Go get the app. Now, this app is not like it's not partnered with no Apple or anything. It's a third party app. It's like basically like YouTube. When people go, like people who have businesses, they want to like basically get more views and more stuff. Where they go, they pay YouTube and YouTube promote their videos. That's basically what they're trying to do. They're trying to promote all these big celebrities, big people that want to have basically a fan base and want to grow on any social media so far. Now the videos they have on this app is from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Yes, guys, that's how easy it is, bro. And also, the good thing about this app is not like YouTube where you guys basically have to watch a specific video. There are a variety of videos. It's basically like all type of videos you think about. Every type of video. Bro, different type of videos. Like from gym, from doing this, from funny, for all that good stuff you think about with me. Make sure you click the link in the description or in the comment. And make sure you get this app, legit app, 100% legit. I was able to cash out yesterday, and I was able to cash out through my other account that I have about $30. Now I just started this one, and I already make $10, guys. So make sure you click the link, go cop this app, man. Till next time, I got you in the next one, man. Peace.
Popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.